What is stick welding? Stick welding is an electric arc welding process that uses rod-shaped metal electrodes that are covered with a flux material. The American Welding Society calls this process Shielded Metal Arc Welding, or SMAW. You may also hear this process called Manual Metal Arc Welding, or MMA welding. Some people refer to this process simply as arc welding, but Shielded Metal Arc Welding, or stick welding, is just one of many types of arc welding. In stick welding, an electric current flows through a metal electrode or stick. An arc forms between the end of this electrode and the workpiece. The arc melts both the metal in the rod and the metal in the pieces to be joined. The metal from the electrode is ejected into a molten weld pool and mixes or coalesces with the workpiece. The metal in the workpiece is called the base metal, and the metal added to the joint from the electrode is called filler metal. Stick welding always adds filler metal to the joint. Because the electrode is constantly melting away and becoming part of the welded structure, stick welding is known as a consumable electrode process. As the electrode is heated by the arc, some of the covering of the electrode releases protective gases that shield the weld and help stabilize the arc. The remaining covering melts and covers the molten weld pool with a protective slag layer. This slag layer protects and helps shape the weld as it solidifies, but it must be removed when the weld is cool. Since the gases generated by the flux covering are able to completely protect the molten weld, there is no need for other shielding equipment such as high-pressure gas cylinders, regulators, or hoses.